Well, we're back down at the bay again. We got a break in the weather, which is really nice. It's supposed to rain again later, but for now it's just absolutely beautiful down here. We just missed that barge coming in over there. They're just docking it now over there. Yeah, it's just a really beautiful day down here. So yeah, looking forward to more Lotro later on. Should be a whole lot of fun. I am loving the new expansion. But for now, I will leave you guys with this lovely view.